What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. The reason I'm being quiet is because it's late at night. It's like storming really bad. It's bad. Like bad. Take a look yourself. It's bad. I don't know if you can see that, but like it's bad. Listen. Listen. It's really bad. I'm about peeing my pants because like there was bad thunder. It shook the whole house. I'm surprised my mom didn't wake up. Like it was loud. It woke me up. Whew. It's raining. I was wanting to get one of those really big booms, but I guess it's not gonna do it. It's crazy. It's like pouring rain. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh, look. Yeah. It's bad. Alright guys, peace out. I'm gonna go to bed. Probably go pee because I'm about to pee my pants. Alright, peace out guys. Have a good day. I guess have a good night actually. Stay safe. Peace.